Hi everyone, it's Doris at DF Designs. Not in my studio, but I'm at Joe Patty's place and I decided I'm going to try something else. This is, hopefully it'll turn out like hers. This is try to do those dendrites like Heather Mater does. I do have just regular paints mixed with water, but I do have some golden fluid acrylic, and we'll see, and I got something with water. So I'm going to do 2 dirty pours, okay? So anyway, I got 2 cups here. I'm going to put a little bit of white in the bottom of each of them. Wait a minute, let me shake this up. It's been a long time since I've done a dirty pour in acrylics. I don't do them in resin because the resin just gets all muddy in there. Am I still on camera?
Oh yeah.
Okay, I didn't know.
I got you, girl.
Well, I didn't know by holding it.
Thumbs up for Doris, everybody. Thumbs up. Hit that thumbs up button.
Thank you, Joe. Joe is my helper today. She's also watching me do things that she hasn't done before.
All right, Doris is teaching me today, everybody.
Okay, this is my Payne's Gray. I'm going to put a little bit of Payne's Gray in there.
I love Payne's Gray, don't you, Doris?
Yes, it's such a really pretty dark blue. I'm not going to try to really layer it because I'm just going to do it. Probably, well, I'll pour.
I'll be like Saskia and Rob today. I'll be like, Doris, now you're going to tell, don't the viewers want to know what colors you're using today?
Okay, this is,
it's so fun to watch them.
I'm going to have to put this one in the description. Wait a minute. I got the tube right here. This is a Pebeo paint. This is the, oh God, why is it so hard for me to read?
That's a pretty color.
It's a blue, it's a blue iridescent, okay, by Pebeo. And I'm going to put some of that on top of this. I'm not going to put any of the gold in here because I'm going to try to do it with the iridescent bronze. And if I don't get my little dendrites, then I'm just going to use a toothpick and do swirlies, you know. What else can I do? So I'm doing these both about the same. These are just little, got some on my canvas. Wait a minute, I got a little paper towel right here. These are just little 5x5 canvases. They're the cheapy ones. I got these from, I want to put some more white in there. I got these from probably Target. They're good for just practicing on, because that's basically what I'm doing, is practicing. I want to get a little bit of red in there. This is the Folk Art Red Color Flash. That much I can remember. I can't remember. I got some Liquitex turquoises and whatnot over here. Let me do some more of the Payne's Gray, because they're not that big of canvases, so I don't need a whole lot on either one. Oh, there's the last of my Payne's Gray. That's okay. I wanted to use all these up.
And since it's one of my favorite colors, I have extra Payne's Gray over here if you need it.
Nah,
I got Golden's Payne's Gray.
Okay, this is I think this is the light blue by Liquitex. Because when I did my painting earlier, which is gonna probably go up after this, because I want Joe Patty and I both did one together. Did them, you know, separately, the blindfolded one. And okay, let me just top it off with some white. And I think I'm going to do a flip cup. Now there's no silicone in this, and also, to tell you the truth, there is no Floetrol in this. These are left over from my Dutch pour, where I did the just water and paint, tapping them to get the paint down. Come on, guys. Fall. Okay, let's see what this looks like. Whoops, I got it way over the edge. So, how come it always looks so pretty in the cup?
It does, doesn't it?
Let me get some of this back towards the middle. See, and this one's got some really pretty stuff in there too. Okay, torch.
Right here.
Oh, there it is.
I've been walking around looking for my phone.
Now, this is not my normal torch, but
it works, Doris.
yep. There we go. Just want to get rid of the air bubbles. And because I got a lot of water in these paints, you're going to see a lot of cells. Okay, now I'm going to tilt. See, it's
pretty.
been so long since I've done.
Jeez, that's pretty. You're right there in the camera too, Doris.
Okay, thank you.
Those are beautiful colors.
Yes.
Gosh, they're so pretty.
I just want
Why do I always relate everything to football too? I'm thinking Minnesota Vikings. I'm thinking
well,
all these colors.
do not say that these look like
I knew you were going to say
the Patriots.
Oh,
They're
Patriots.
Not,
I thought he was going to say Chicago because we're in Wisconsin and we have a rivalry with the Cubs and that and
But I'm
all
not
the
a
football
Packers,
and
I'm not a
baseball.
Packers or a Bears fan.
Right, right.
I am
Yeah, all the Packers and Bears and then Cubs and all the Bucks and oh boy, what a rivalry, huh?
Oh, look at some of the look at some of that. Oh,
so pretty.
Now, these paints are really thin because they were only mixed with water.
Do you want me to zoom in at all? Or?
Nah,
Okay.
I'm sure they can see
You
enough.
could do a close up too when you're done.
Yeah. Okay. This, for some reason, didn't quite get... There we go. There we go. Now.
Very
ugh.
pretty.
Okay, now, here's the thing that Heather Madar did. How come I mixed the colors exactly the same, and this one's got more Payne's gray than this one does. Okay, here is... let me touch up this side right here because I'm not going to be able to tilt it anymore after I do this.
Right. And then this corner and that right there and then one more corner left over there if you wanted to do it.
Yeah.
I was just letting you know where it's at.
Yeah, and I got this corner right here, that little side.
And then here, right here. So
Aha.
there you go.
Missed a spot.
Got it. You got it.
Okay, now how's this side look?
Perfect. It looks really good back here.
I don't have a mirror like Christina Welch does that. She holds a mirror right here.
Good idea.
To see those sides, but
She's got it going on then.
oh yes, she does. Okay, now I'm gonna take this straight from the bottle on here, and I'm just gonna do
So pretty.
some ribbons.
Now what is that you're using?
It is the Golden Fluid Acrylics, the Iridescent Bronze Fine.
And you're pouring it right out of the bottle.
Yep, right out of the bottle.
Cool.
Don't want to do a whole lot. I got a sneaking feeling that Heather Madar used the high flow, which is a lot thinner than this. Okay.
We can water it down. If it don't work, we'll try it again.
No, if it doesn't work, if I don't get my little fractals or dendrites or whatever you want to call them. So now I'm going to do a drop of water.
Do you want me to take the camera down?
No, no,
okay.
no.
Okay, because we can't see that from back here. You just...
Oh, you can't?
We're just watching you design.
And you know what? It's not going to work with these.
Oh, no.
No, it's not. They're not fractaling like the other one. So it's got to be the high flow. Okay, toothpicks.
Toothpicks. Yeah, toothpicks.
I am going to put a little bit more over here, just to make it a little bit more cohesive.
I can't find mine here. Let me run in the back and get some.
Okay. And I know you're probably telling me stop by now, people, but I just want to make sure. Oops. I got a bunch of it dripping down the side. And these have got to go in my bag for me to
I
take
have
home.
these plastic ones, but I do have lots of
No,
little tools.
No. These are fine. So, just do swirlies through it.
Right. Can do a water spritz.
See? Yeah.
Oh, the swirlies are very pretty.
I think this will be fine.
Right.
So, I have now learned my lesson. First off, Heather Madar's the queen of doing fractals with golden fluid, and I got a sneaking feeling she uses the high flow. So, I'm just going to swirl these little guys out and give them another torch, and then I'll bring it up for a close-up. Yeah, that's good enough. Okay. You can go ahead while I'm torching if you want, Joe, to take it in for a close-up.
Okay.
I just want to pop any air bubbles that might still be in there. So, I hope you enjoyed this little tiny experiment of mine. And at least you didn't have to sit and watch me do the paint. Mix the paint, because the paint was mixed from earlier. Ooh! Look at that.
We've seen them pop.
Yeah, look at all those little white dots in there. Okay, so, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. Hit the little bell for the notifications so you can see the next video I put up.
It's like a starry night.
Thank you. And I hope you enjoyed watching this. I love the fluid arts right out of you because I can't say resin right now because it's all acrylics. But I love the fluid arts right out of you. I appreciate all my subscribers, new and old. Thank you. You guys are awesome. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.